Hello guys, what I'm going to show you here is how you can apply a slow motion effect into your Filmora clips. Okay, so let's first of all drag our clip inside of our timeline, as you can see here, and this is going to last for about five seconds. Okay, now we have to find our effects panel, which is here, right? And we have to look for speed. Okay, so this is video, audio, color, and speed, right? And now you want to change this to basically, I don't know, a value that is less than 1. So in my case, I'm just going to keep this to, I don't know, 0.75. Let's apply. And as you can see here, my clip is now going to last a little bit longer. Okay, and it's going to look in a slow motion, more in a slow motion than it was before, actually. Now, something to keep in mind is that you don't want to lower this value too much in here, because if you do, it's going to look very choppy, right? If I turn this to, I don't know, 0.2, for example, it's going to look extremely choppy. Okay, so you want to keep this, I don't know, maybe, depends on the clip and depends on the frame per second as well, but you want to keep this, 0.50 or 0.30 maximum, right? But yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.